Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is how to build videos into your Edmodo account. So one thing that I've found is that YouTube is the best way to do that. I've got tons of video from YouTube built into my Edmodo library. Let me show you how to do that. It's really easy. Click on Add to Library, and then you're going to hit Link. One thing I usually do is I'll go into YouTube. Let's say I'm building right now a unit over slavery for my AP US History class. So I want to get a speech of John Quincy Adams before the Supreme Court. I go in here to this. I'm going to get the YouTube link. Just usually copy it, bring it into Edmodo, add to library, click on link, paste it, and then it'll make a title for you. Usually YouTube's really good about having what you want it to be called, so the Amistad court speech is really good. And then I'm going to add that to Edmodo. It takes a little bit for their server to get caught up, but eventually this is going to be the Amistad court speech. And then I want to share that. Remember, you click on whatever file in your library you want to share. Go over here to folder. And then I want to put that in my Chapter 10, The South and Slavery folder for my AP class. And then that Amistad video will be shared. And it sometimes takes a little bit for their end to get caught up, but eventually when I go to the Chapter 10 folder, and you can arrange these folders in any order. I spend a lot of time searching through them, which I guess isn't really good, but it is what it is. You can order them however you want, and there's the Amistad speech from YouTube. The next thing I'm working on is I want to build my own YouTube resources. For instance, I built the how to build, or I loaded the building in Edmodo library into YouTube in my YouTube channel. And here's that there. So I've got that in there. I can actually go to share, and I can copy that, and I can share that into Edmodo as well. So I can make a folder within Edmodo about Edmodo, which sounds kind of silly, but building an Edmodo library. So I can add that in there. Oh, and I actually accidentally added that into one of the folders that I had clicked on. I didn't want to do that, but that's okay. It's in the library, and I can go back out and I can remove it from that folder if I want to, just by clicking on that and remove from folder. So in the library I have that how to build your Edmodo library. So you can use YouTube as your video hub, going back and forth to add things to make your lessons and posts better on Edmodo.